Hello everyone, in this video we're going to do the seismic analysis of a building. The model we're going to use is same as we draw in previous video. First of all, we will define the seismic load. Go to load patterns, add new load of seismic load. We will use Indian standard 1893-2002. Add new load. Now modify it. Assume no eccentricity exists in our building, so unselect all eccentricity. Our building is in Bangalore city, so it lies in zone 2. From IS code, we will use the value of zone factor. For zone 2, our value is 0.1. Assume the soil to be of type 2, medium soil. And use the importance factor as 1. Our building is ordinary RC moment registering frame, so use the response reduction factor as 3. Click OK. Now we can see the load combination. This also includes the wind load. So here you can see, according to the type of structure, we can set the load combination. As wind load and the seismic load are not to be considered at the same time for the building, so we will set the status of wind load to do not run. So let's do the analysis now. Here we can see the deformation shape of a building, and we can check the forces and deformation values. We can also check the stresses in the shells as well as the support reactions. Before starting the design, we will see the preferences. Make sure it is as per Indian standards 456-2000. Now let's start the design. So this warning is we disabled our wind load, so the load combination will be neglected, which contains wind load. Few members failed, so as per our auto select beam column property, it will select the economical section now. So our design part is completed. You can see the reinforcement value by zooming into the 3D view. We can generate the report. So go to the summary report. Here we can check the load combinations, load patterns, our section dimensions, and many more. go down. In this, we're gonna analyze and design our building according to response spectrum method. So first of all, we will close the report and unlock our model. Now we will delete the wind load as there is no need to use that load anymore. Make sure our seismic load is as per our predefined values. Now we will define a function, response spectrum. Add new function as per Indian standard. Name it as response spectrum. Use the value of E and soil type as we used previously. Click on OK. Now we will make sure that the units of acceleration will be mm per second square. Now we will define one new load case. Add a new load case and name it as response spectrum. Change the type to response spectrum. Now we will add a new load applied. So select the load name as U1, function as the response spectrum. Using the formula from Indian standard, we got the scale factor value and we will put it in here. Similarly, add one more which will act in the y direction. Use the same value for the scale factor and click on OK. Now we will analyze our structure. Set the dead load and live load to do not run. So here our analysis part is complete. You can see the deformed shape of our building. Now we will make sure the design preferences should be as per Indian standards. Click on OK. We will start the design. design is complete. You can check the longitudinal reinforcement values. We will check our R member should be verified. So here all concrete frame pass the design check. Now we will generate the report. So here is our report. Just scroll it down. So that's all.